Well, I had worked for the same company for almost 20 years, and there are a lot of advantages that go along with that. It was a wonderful organization, but when I decided to leave that first career, if you will, I decided that one of my focal points would be to get a little bit more international emphasis and to really focus on a broader perspective. You can very easily get trained into a specific frame of mind after doing similar things for an extended period. And one of the things I liked about Antwerp Management School is that there's a very international emphasis. The classes are not composed of individuals from one country. It has additional coursework where you're interacting with folks from Russia, from China, and you get to have a little bit more international perspective from the professors as well. So for me personally, that was one of the greatest selling points. I've started being able to look at areas outside of logistics and supply chain and general management where I had really existed for the past 10 to 12 years, and it's gotten me looking into opportunities in consulting, which I'm doing independently presently, and just a lot of other things that I might not have considered previously. Right now, I, aside from being a student at the wonderful AMS, have been a consultant focusing on leadership, supply chain, and general logistics management. One of the many nice things that the Executive MBA and my time at AMS has afforded us is that we're able to go back and choose the geography in which we want to live and then build our lives around that. So we're looking at a number of professional opportunities. I'm looking at consulting gigs. I'm looking at leadership positions within organizations. I'm looking at the possibility of having a little bit more flexible career where I work part-time from home. And these are things that I wouldn't have been able to do in my previous life that I'm really excited about now.